No Octonauts.
Yes, Octonauts. It's an awesome animated children's television series where the show follows an underwater exploring crew made up of stylized anthropomorphic animals, a team of 8 adventurers who live in an undersea base, the Octopod, from which they go on undersea adventures with the help of a fleet of aquatic vehicles to the exotic creatures and locations that the crew encounter are based on real marine animals in their natural habitats and feature the Octonauts venturing onto more land-based habitats of the natural world. That's it. You're extremely grounded for a week for saying that. Go to your room right now.
Wow.